Gerund or infinitive. I don't fancy going out tonight. She avoided telling him about her plans. I would like to come to the party with you. He enjoys having a bath in the evening. She kept talking during the film. I'm learning to speak English. Do you mind giving me a hand? She helped me to carry my suitcases. I've finished cooking. Come and eat. He decided to study biology. I dislike waiting. He asked to come with us. I promised to help you tomorrow. We discussed going to the cinema, but in the end we stayed at home. She agreed to bring pudding for dinner. I don't recommend taking the bus. It takes much time. We hope to visit London next month. She suggested going to the museum. They plan to start college in autumn. I don't want to leave yet.